Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Do you want a better night's rest? I thought so. These two memory foam pillows by Seyfote will definitely help you get just that. Let me tell you about some of the reasons I think these are wonderful pillows. First of all, the filling is adjustable, so you actually can get into the pillow with the zipper and you can adjust how much memory foam is in there. So if you want a little bit less, you take some out. I also love memory foam, but I don't like memory foam pillows when you lay your head down and you're like, bam, it's a rock, right? But these don't do that because it is shredded memory foam. So it feels much more soft and cushiony like a regular pillow, but you still have that support you get from a memory foam pillow. I'm also really impressed with how fast these regain their shape. If I readjust my head, it instantly goes back up and then conforms to where I lay my head down again. The pillow covering also is a really nice feature. One side is silky and it is a cooling side, so it really does feel substantially cooler than the other side, which is nice and soft. So if you want a warmer pillow in the winter, you have that side. If you want a cooler pillow in the summer, I suggest the silky side. Now, something to keep in mind, when you get these, they are vacuum sealed and they have new memory foam. And the new memory foam does not smell very good. But don't worry, let it air out for a day or two. They will be super fluffy and there will be no smell at all. So that will not be an issue. I'm just super impressed with how high quality these pillows are. So go ahead and try it, get these, and get a better night's rest. But that's just my point of view.